Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm that girl Nikki. So today I'll be doing a little cooking video for y'all. Yeah, so I'm gonna be making curry chicken and white rice today. It's nothing too hard, something simple. So I'm gonna show now how I do it from start to finish. So yes, stick around for that. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to be notified when the next video drop. Alright, so stick around with me. I'll be back. Okay, so let's begin. So here you see I have some chicken that I have cut up and clean, wash it off with vinegar and water. Yeah, if you have lime you can use it just the same. So may I go season that up now. So over here, so now you can see I have a little piece of ginger. I'm gonna put in it some pimento seeds, garlic, onion, some dried thyme, yeah, and little black pepper, salt, and of course my Maggi season. So yeah, let me do that real quick and show you how it go. So we're ready now. So I'm gonna throw my onion, garlic, some pimento seed, and piece of ginger in it right now. So put that on it for now. Alright, so that's it. And then we're gonna go in with some Maggi season. So yep, so I have basically, just remember, it's not just Maggi season alone in here, so it's like mixed season, allspice. Oh, sorry. Alright, then I'm gonna put my local curry. So I do put curry on mine, and I do burn some curry too before. Some black pepper, and toots of salt, just like two. So I go stir that round with our spoon, and let me stop doing the showgirl thing and actually use my hand. I'm used to. Yep. So just a stir that round, mixing all of the season, the thyme and stuff. I'm gonna have more add that after when it a simmer down and a bubble. So yeah, I said before, I put curry on my curry when I'm making it, plus I burn a little curry in the pot before I put in the curry. So that's it for the meat right now. Chicken is seasoned right now. So going to the next step, we're gonna put it in the pot. Stay tuned. So we have the pot warm up now. We're gonna throw in the oil and then get that steaming. Pot warm now, so I'm just throw in the oil. Not much, that can do. And then we just put the season in, put the meat in. Oh no, I'm gonna burn some curry first, then I'll put that in. So this is how some. make my curry time I think they take a look a bit before I cover my pot or throw any water in it. Yep. So let me go to wash my rice. So time to put in our salt. Alright. And then all curry are going to fry. Smells good. Alright, so go for a piece of butter now. Okay. Alright. So go see where I work with. So yeah, we're gonna put that in the rice now. Piece of butter in the rice. So we'll look at thing over here, start going wait. Yeah. Water gone in. So just turn that down, let it simmer and steam. And just go and look on the curry in between. Yeah. Soon the guys, the finished product.